Finally, rally is back. The Czech Rally Championship began with the Rally Bohemia, which traditionally starts in Mladá Boleslav, the hometown of ŠKODA. It attracted crowds of fans, all the best local drivers and crews from Finland, Austria, Germany and other countries. And of course, ŠKODA Motorsport's Jan Kopecký, the defender of the Czech title, and his new co-driver Jan Hloušek. Right from the beginning, the crews had to deal with rain, difficult tracks and tricky conditions. The Finns Jari Huttunen and Mikko Luka soon took the lead, while Jan Kopecký was not happy with the car setup.
We had pretty stiff car, we were too optimistic after the test and it didn't work so much, especially in the first section of this run.
But as the tracks dried out, Kopecký was faster and faster, and by the end of the day the factory crew was losing only 0.6 seconds on the Finns. Thanks to the changes in the car setup, Kopecký took the lead soon after the start of the second day.
We did everything what was possible, and honestly I can say that we didn't lose any second.
But then another challenger came to play. The experienced Václav Peck Jr., who has won the Czech Championship as many times as Kopecký, and his beast, the powerful Ford Focus RS WRC. The very same car which helped Ford claim the WRC manufacturer's title in 2006. An incredible battle between the ŠKODA FABIA Rally2 Evo and the Focus WRC began. In most of the Sunday stages, only tenths of a second separated the two. Both drivers were pushing the limits, providing a real treat for all rally fans. In the end, after more than 150 kilometers, Peck celebrated the victory only 6.4 seconds ahead of Kopecký.
It was really nice. I think everyone was really excited. Just only small problem is that we are second. It's WRC car, it's a different category. We will see if we can find something, how to beat him.
Other ŠKODA crews were successful as well. Philip Mares took 4th place right behind Huttunen. Thanks to Simon Wagner, Miroslav Jakeš and Miroslav Zvrček, there were 5 ŠKODA FABIA Rally2 cars in the top 10. It's great to be back.